Hey, what's going on? It's Waleek just bringing to you, letting you know about the free $5 craze going on with this new app. And no, it's not Cash App, no, it's not Dodge, but it's giving you $5 for every time you download this app. And you pretty much enter the refer code and you text me back that you're saying done. Now, there got to be a transaction between you and the person. So once your transaction is done, you go ahead and you're going to have a bonus $5. Or you can do this over and over again. There's no time limit on it. And I want to get you on it. So we got people making $100 in the first day. We have some people who've drawn $45 instantly. We got people who have made $200 just first day, just sharing this goddamn app, sharing their link, having people put their refer code in, and then they just going back and forth with one transaction, and then $5 are popping up on both sides of the app. So I really want to get you to it. This is a great day to go ahead and get this great free money this time of the year. Christmas is coming up, or whatever time you're watching this right now, but at this current time, it's August 2018. Christmas coming up, Halloween coming up, back to school stuff coming up. So this is a great time to get some great money in your pocket, and I want to give it to you. So do me a favor. In the description is going to have the link, because you can't really put it out there too hard. The link to download. Hopefully you're already on your phone while you're watching this. So you go ahead, download the link, enter the redeem code. You'll text me back. We will do our quick transaction, and we will both pop up with $5. Okay? Do this over and over again. Matter of fact, share this video with your link attached to it. It's all good. Let's get it. All right? Free $5. Free $5. No questions asked. No gimmicks. No nothing. Let's go in the description. Let's get it.